Ravioli, and in this episode of Kid Chefs, we'll be teaching you to make pizza snacks.
The ingredients are a bag of mozzarella cheese, some crescent rolls, and some slices of pepperoni. But wait, Randy, I think there's a secret ingredient.
Okay. Your instructions are 1. Put some crescent rolls on a pan. Okay, let's add our ingredients. Last one. Now it's done. You can now sprinkle some mozzarella cheese on each crescent roll slice. About this much on each one. Now we can add that secret ingredient. That looks good. Now, roll them up. Like that. Now, you can take them to the oven. Open it up and stick in your tray of pizza snacks. Let them cook for about 11 to 13 minutes. And make sure the temperature is 375 degrees. We'll check on those in a while. These are the finished pizza snacks. This is what they should look like. Billy Bob, do you still want one?
No, I'm not that hungry and my jaw's still hurting.
Okay, then I'll test it. Scrumptious. Kind of has a weird aftertaste. Getting kind of hard to breathe. Billy Bob, what was that secret ingredient again?
It was just Parmesan cheese, see?
That's not Parmesan cheese. That's poison.
Poison? I guess my head is still a little woozy.
I'll get you, Billy Bob.
Hope you liked our Kid Chef show. See you later! later.
Goodbye.